I know some of you guys knew what the wheels were. I know others were guessing for them. There it goes, y'all. Just peep that. Oh my Lord. Woo! Man, that peripheral right there.
We go underneath.
Welcome back to yet another video, a very important and special video. We are revealing the wheels to you guys today, so we're on our way to rolling stock. Stay tuned, this one's gonna be a good one. So if you guys can tell by the sign behind me, you guys know we're at rolling stock, day after the test fit, and we're finally putting the tires on the car. It's been so long, you guys, but we can finally say that the tires are going to be on with the new wheels and everything. So the setup is finally going to be revealed to you guys, and I know YouTube's going to be the first to see it. After that, I'll post some, content on the IG channel. So if you don't already follow me, check me out on the IG. Give me a follow back. But let's give you guys a quick rundown on the car and the setup. Now, like I stated prior, shout out to Rolling Stock. Huge shout out to Mario. But you see the M is posted up on the lift, and we have the new wheels right there, right under it, in the box still. You guys can see my old drag setup for anyone that was concerned or wondering what my setup was. 305, 35, 19s in the rear. They fit, no rubbing issues whatsoever. You guys can see the first box is being revealed, and I guess right now is the time for you guys to finally see. But there's a glimpse. You guys saw the barrel. Let the tires go on the wheel, and then we can present to you guys the brand new setup. Here's my OEM one. I'm basically gonna store these for now in case I want to run these in the future. I'm gonna get some new tires, and I will have those laying around and set up ready to go whenever. My drag pack in the rear under there, that one's literally gonna be for any Mexico runs or whatsoever that may come in the near future. Man, I'm excited. Shout out to the the tire workers here. Huge shout out to them for prepping the tires, being extra careful, not to scratch, damage or anything. All right, so there you guys have it. I traded in the M for an Impala. Do you guys think it was the right decision? That thing is on some nice wheels, beautiful car, but no, I'm just kidding. M is still getting prepped. Next wheel's going on, almost there. I'm basically gonna let them do what they gotta do. The pros at work, let them deal with the wheels. I got full faith in them. I'm excited. It's been too long, and I think the moment the car touches, it touches down is when I'm really gonna take it all in. I might need to dial the fitment in slightly depending on once the car sits down and the coils adjust, because with the 305 35s, they're a thicker wheel, they're wider, a little taller. But with these, we're gonna have to see. But I think I'm gonna fall in love yet again with the car all over again, and that's what it's about. Build your car the way it's supposed to be built and to your liking. So motivation for you guys. Okay, aquí estamos. Saludos, gracias a todos. But yeah, so we have the M up. You guys can see we have the tires off and everything, front, rears. Man, excited to see the new tires on. Quick reveal. They are going to mount those on, TPS sensors and everything. We are running the 275 35 19s in the rear. They fit rather well. Once we lower the car, I'll give you guys another breakdown and overview of it. 255 35 19s in the front. I can't speak much yet. I'm gonna let the car do the talking and the wheels speak for themselves, so we'll be back shortly. Man, shout out to Rolling Stock. Employees are super dope, super cool. Some people are camera shy, some people aren't. But they saw that I was recording, and they kind of invited me to go up front and get a better look and in-depth view of how the whole process is going. Once they do start mounting, I kind of want to get some cinematics, but we'll kind of see, how it looks and how it goes and how it plays out. But as of right now, you did get a glimpse. All in all, we can reveal to you guys the brand new wheels going on the Beamer, and the build just continues. So here they are. TE37. So we had the pop out with some TEs We have them triple chromed. I'm gonna go down the list on, you know, what it took to get to this stage. But you guys see it, we got TEs. The Beamer got baptized. We got the Japanese wheels on the Euro. I know there's some people, you know, they be hating, but you know, it's only right. We popped out with some TE37's. These are the pair right now. The other two are getting mounted. Every enthusiast runs these. Every true, I've been wanting some of these for the longest. I remember the first time I saw a pair of these, they were on a R34 GTR at a car meet, and ever since, it's just been TE the world. So I'm part of the gang now. I am, you know, going with the stereotype. Man, to think that I acquired my dream wheels, that the specs, the color, everything, it took a while. You guys know it. I've been just holding off because I've been busy, man. Life gets in the way. You need to spend time with family. It's not all about cars sometimes, so I tend to take it, you know, piece by piece, little by little. But I can assure you guys, it's coming along, and I do want to give a huge shout out to everyone that's been supporting since day one, showing love, sharing my content, commenting, liking, everything. It means the world to me, you guys. Hopefully with these, you know, with new wheels, the new tint that we got, there is a hood on the way. The car can finally kind of stand out a bit more than usual. So being that we're from SF and it's a small city, when you see a nice car, you know, it's not hard to miss. So with these wheels and everything that's going on, I'm just hoping to put natives on the map. They're gonna mount them on, lower the car, and we can go from there, check the fitment and see if you guys approve. So let's go. There it is, it's touching down right now. We're about to see what that fitment's looking like once we get everything down and ready. Oh, I'm excited. Here you guys have it, right before its actual touchdown. Yet again, shout out to Mario, shout out to Rolling Stock. Oh man. Set and ready. All we need now is just a test drive. Just a test drive left, and then we can go from there. There it goes, y'all. On some TEs. Oh man, look at that fitment in the rear. Fire. We are back. Keys, receipt, everything. Oh man, even the employees like the car. That's how you know you're doing it right. When the employees like the car. There it is. You guys see it? TE37's triple chromed, wrapped in some Michelins in the rear. And this is our stance now. Only thing left, slap on our hood, get our front lip on, and just go from there, you guys. Man, I cannot get my eyes off of these. Look at this. In the sun, it just hits different. Ah. Shout out to Rolling Stock. In his eyes, he liked it. In my eyes, I fell in love. Once again, you guys, oh my God. Just peep it, you guys. Like, man, fitment is there. Like, oh yes. Maybe a little more in the front, but the rear is kind of where I was aiming for, and we got it spot on. Took us a while to get that, but shout out to Rolling Stock for the test fitment, and shout out for them slapping on the wheels. Car is coming along. I am super ecstatic. Oh my God, let's roll out. Man, it feels unreal to be back on the Beamer with the new wheels and everything. Obviously, right off the bat, you know, there's not really much difference, being that, you know, well, you don't really feel anything. I'm pretty sure when it comes to like turns and stuff, being that the TEs are lightweight racing wheels, I might feel that, you know, top end or anything, but right now it just feels normal. Apart from the fact that every time when I see a reflection from a car or whatsoever, I find, you know, it just hits me that the wheels are on, my fitment is dialed in, and oh man, it's just a sense of relief, yo. Like, I don't know how to explain it. Build your car, build it the way you want to build it. Don't go the cookie cutter route. Rather, you know, build something different. Triple chrome on TEs on an M4. I mean, I'm pretty sure it might have been done before, but not here in the city, not an SF. Oh my God, first drive on the TEs and the reflections just hit so different. Oh my God. I'm literally sitting here thinking of my like 18, 19-year-old self, like dreaming of owning these wheels and, you know, being where we are right now, you guys. Like, don't ever give up on yourself. I'm speechless, you guys. I'm literally speechless right now. And guess my smile can speak for itself, you guys. Someone please tell me. Oh man, you can't really see it right now, but damn, just peep that. Oh my Lord. Woo! Man. That peripheral right there. I am honestly in love. That reflection hits so different. Golly, the camera's not really picking it up, but fuck, when it rolls. So who do we have to thank for everything? First things first, shout out to the guy that sold me my TEs. Why? Because we wouldn't even be here in the first place if that guy hadn't sold them. Secondly, shout out to Nifty Built Wheels. He's the one that actually triple chromed my wheels. So if you need any work done, hit him up. Thirdly, shout out to my boy Ty. Shout out to High Caliber Styling. So what he does is he does everything from details to polishes to ceramic coat. And you know what the wheels are? Ceramic coated. So shout out to him. Then it comes down to a shout out to basically rolling stock for mounting the tires and helping me test fit prior to, you know, so I can get the exact fitment and wheel that I wanted. And a shout out to everyone that's been supporting. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for me to drop the wheels, have been asking when I'm gonna reveal them. This is the video for you guys, dedicated specifically to you guys. And to my Beamer folks, if you're looking to get some TEs, I would say 19s all the way. If you're trying to go fast and have a meaty setup, 18s. You know, we can't run 17s unless you get a small brake kit. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know I did. I know I enjoyed my wheels and everything. Like, comment, subscribe, and stick around for more to come. And like always, keep it authentic, y'all. Till the next one. Peace.